Hello and howdy friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I am your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and see how what's going on. Later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story, future reinforcement. Now let's go. In the bustling city of Maxico, there lived a young girl named Scarlett. Scarlett was known for her bright smile and unwavering optimism. Her family, however, faced constant struggles. Her father, effective worker, earned just enough to keep them afloat, while her mother worked as a seamstress to supplement their income. Despite their hardship, Scarlett's parents always encouraged her to dream big and never give up. Scarlett had a passion for learning and a dream of becoming an engineer. She believed that with the education, she could build a better future for her family and contribute to her community. However, the road of her dream was filled with the obstacles. The local school was underfunded and resources were scarce. Many of her classmates dropped out to help their families, and Scarlett herself often contemplated doing the same to ease her parents' burden. One fateful day, her father had a serious accident at the factory, leaving him unable to work. The family's final situation went from bad to worse, and Scarlett felt the weight of despair. Yet amid the darkness, she remembered her father's words. Strength doesn't come from what you can do, it comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't. With renewed determination, Scarlett decided to take control of her future. She took multiple part-time jobs, working early mornings and late nights to support her family while continuing her studies. Her resilience and strength became a beacon of hope, not only for her family, but also for the entire community. The turning point came when the Scarlett heard about the National Scholarship Program for underprivileged students aspiring to study engineering. She poured every ounce of her energy into preparing for the competitive exams, often studying by candlelight after long work shifts. Her dedication and perseverance paid off when she received the scholarship, securing a place at the prestigious engineering college. College life was demanding, but the Scarlett faced every challenge head-on, driven by the thought of building a better future for her family. She excelled academically and actively participated in community projects, using her knowledge to improve infrastructure in underdeveloped areas. Upon graduating with honors, Scarlett returned to her hometown as a qualified engineer. She immediately began working on projects to improve living conditions in her city, from building study homes to implementing sustainable energy solutions. Her effort transformed the community, proving that resilience and strength could indeed fortify the future. Scarlett's story became a testament to the power of resilience and strength in overcoming adversity. She had not only fulfilled her dream, but also created a legacy of hope and determination for others to follow. In last, moral of the story is resilience and strength are cultivated through facing and overcoming challenges. By staying determined and never giving up, even in the face of adversity, we can build a stronger and brighter future for ourselves and those around us. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twists.
Silence. She looks deep into my eyes, remain silent. The problems in her head pile up. Again and again, she tells me how sick she is. Everything is so hard for her. Why don't you just tell me? Everything could be so simple, but you want to make it difficult for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself. Why don't you just tell me? Everything could be so simple, but you want to make it difficult for yourself, for yourself, for yourself. Silence. She looks deep into my eyes, remain silent. The problems in her head pile up.